Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to style HTML tags. Let's begin. If we want to style HTML tags means we want to use three methods. That is we have to use CSS file, that is cascading style sheet. For this if we want to style some one or two tags means we can use inline method. 5 to 10 tags means we can use internal method. 10 to 20 or 50 to 100 means we can use external tag. For example, in inline tags means just one or two tags, inside that HTML tag we can simply define its style. For internal means inside the head tag we want to include. For external, separate .css file created and linked with HTML file. Don't worry about external, we can learn this external styling in CSS tutorial. Now we can see about internal and inline styling for HTML documents. Okay, how to style HTML tag using inline method. Inline method is nothing but if you want to style one tag, for example here I am defining heading tag h1 tag. If we want to style this h1 tag means simply I can give the attribute called style. Inside that attribute what style I want to do, I want to style my color. Okay, blue color I want to display this h1 tag. Okay, simply h1 tag we are created in HTML. If you want to display this h1 text in blue color means use this style attribute and color colon blue. This is the syntax. If you want to style by font means font size colon 10 pixel, like that you can give it. Okay, inside the style attribute. Simply for inline means one or two tags we want to style means just inside the tag using the style attribute we can define this. For example, you can see same coding I written here. For h1 tag I want to display it in blue color. For paragraph tag I want to display it in red color. Okay, I styled this one. Then for body tag also I want body background color as sky blue. Okay, three types of styling I used for three types of tags. It's not only for color, you can use it for font, anything else. Okay, for basic I just given this. In detail we can see in CSS what are all the attributes having to style this HTML document. Let's see the output of this file. You can see this body background color is in sky blue, h1 tag is in blue color, paragraph tag is in red color. Simple. Let's move on to internal styling. Internal styling is nothing but if we giving stay using style attribute means one or two tag it's okay. For 5 to 10 tags means it will collapse. No, it makes the code collapse. It's not very clean code. Okay, for a professional developer we want to always write a clean code. For that purpose only inside this head tag we including the tag named style. Here we can use whatever tags we want to styling. For example, I opened the style tag inside head tag. For body tag I want to style. For h1 tag I want to style. For paragraph tag I want to style. Just write the tag itself. No need of the syntax less than greater than symbol opening closing. No need. Just name of the tag you want to write. After that, the open and close parenthesis is the syntax. Inside that only you are defining for body tag what are all the style you want to given. Inside this open and close parenthesis you want to specify that. What I am specifying background color sky blue. For h1 simply color means text color blue. For paragraph simply text color red. Okay, let's see this in browser. Same code I written here. You can see same output this will display. No changes. Any other changes? No. For inline and internal same output are there. But what's the difference means for developer purpose only. If you are writing 3 to 5, 5 to 10 styling inside this tags means it's not look like a clean code. That's why go for internal tagging. Okay, next inline and internal we have seen. In this video, we learnt about how to style HTML document using inline and internal styling. For external styling, we can learn it in CSS tutorial. Thanks for watching.